Right. We need to find the general solution on this one. What do we do? How many terms do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we have 4 terms, these are more than 3 terms. We can group the terms into 2, 2. So now let's group them. 2 sine squared x minus sine x cos x minus 6 sine x plus 3 cos x is equal to 0. I take sine and sine, 2 sine squared x minus 6 sine x minus sine x cos x plus 3 cos x is equal to 0. The next thing, what do we do? Let's factor out 2 sine x here, 2 sine x. What are we left with? We are left with sine x minus 3. So this bracket, we are going to have again the same bracket here, the same bracket this side. So we are going to say sine x minus 3 is equal to 0. So what are we going to factor out there? We are going to factor out cos x. Let's give our cos x a sign. Are we going to factor out a negative or a positive? We are going to factor out a negative, such that if we say minus times positive, we are going to have a minus here, minus and a minus, we get a positive. So we are going to have 2 sine x minus cos x and sine x minus 3 is equal to 0. So now each bracket should be equal to 0. So we are going to say 2 sine x minus cos x is equal to 0, or sine x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now let's solve for sine here. We are going to say 2 sine x is equal to cos x. What do we do here? Let's divide by cos both sides. If we divide by cos both sides, we are going to say let's divide by cos x here. This one and this one, they are going to cancel. Sine over cos, that identity, we are going to have what? We are going to have tan. 2 tan x is equal to 1. Then it means tan x is equal to half. Here, right, tan x is equal to half. What do we do? Our reference angle, RA, is equal to arctan half. So arctan half, what do we get? We get 26,565. So now this is our reference angle. So tan is positive. Where is tan positive? Because we have half here. So we are going to do this. Theta 180 minus theta 180 plus theta 360 minus theta. Tan is positive in the first, and tan again is positive in the third quadrant. But usually when we are dealing with tan, we don't usually use this one. We just take the one in the first quadrant, because the answers, they are going to be repeated even if we use the one in the third quadrant. So we are going to say third quadrant. It means our x is going to be 26,565 degrees plus 180k. It's no longer 360 because we are dealing with tan here, where k is an element of z. Now we need to deal with this one, another one, sine x. We are going to say arc sine to find our reference angle is equal to arc sine 3. you are going to find out that in your calculators, you are not going to find to get an answer. Remember our amplitude sine x. Remember the graph of sine x should be less or equal to 1, less or equal to minus 1. So in this case, there is no solution here. There is no solution. Even if you punch into your calculator, you are going to get an error message. So this is how we solve this kind of a question.